So, hi everyone. So, today's agenda would be to share our playbook of how we have increased our website traffic 20% month on month. So, one of the we have implemented a lot of strategies. We have tested and experimented a lot of strategies, and one thing that has helped us a lot is creating a lot of interactive pages on our website. So if you have seen this week's newsletter that we have sent to all the users and admins, there is this SAT calculator that we have embedded. Sorry. Hi, Terry, did you say something?
No, Mark.
Hi,
Okay.
hi, team. I need you to mute your mic, please. Team, mute your mic.
Okay. So where I was, so we have built a lot of calculator pages. So what this basically does is these calculator pages are highly searched by students and in some cases, the educators as well. So we tried to grab this particular space by building different types of calculator. So the first one that we have created was for digital SAT. I'm going to share my screen. So I hope the screen is visible. We have built something like this, and what we have also done is made it interactive. For example, if a user comes onto your website and see how this calculator looks like, they can just enter their marks for different sections, and you would see how these projected scores are. So this makes the user more engaged within the website, and you can also literally make this on your website as well. So how you can do that? You can just go to this particular website. I am going to drop the link of the site here on the chat, and scroll down, and you will see this embed this calculator. If you click on this calculator, you'll also see a small code. So there is no coding that you guys have to do. We have done everything here. So basically, copy this code and you can go to your respective website builder, create an HTML block. Now I will show you how to do that live as well. You can use WordPress, Wix, whatever the site that you're using, you can go there and simply add a HTML block. So let me create one for you. So this is the HTML block I was talking about. Here, just paste the code. And you'll also see a small, this differs. For this particular tool, you're able to see a preview. If you're using Wix, the preview will be different. But basically, the step is to create a HTML block, add this code, that's it. You can adjust it as per your design, however you have created the website. Now, let's publish this, and you will see the calculator being live on the website without writing any single line of code. So I have published it. There you go. The calculator is live on your website. So it works exactly how it worked on VEGA's website. Exactly, yes, you can. Just an HTML block, put this code, and this calculator will be live. And you can also see how interactive it is. There was no code written. You can just embed this in just 5-10 seconds. And if you want this particular code, I have, thank you so much, Carrie. We have given you the link in the chat. And if you want, do let us know. We'll send it across in your WhatsApp as well. We do have a WhatsApp community built now for which the invitation will be sent to everyone. If you have implemented this, please do share the site with us. We'll also see how this looks. Any particular question do you have regarding this? I am believing no. And
sorry.
Yes.
I wanted to see how do they set it to either ACT or SAT?
Currently, we don't have that functionality, but that's exactly what I was about to tell. We have a lot of calculators for which we will be doing the same thing. You can just, if you see, we have an ACT calculator, AP calculator. For all of this, we are trying to build a similar template or a ready to make code that you can just copy from here and paste it across in your website. When this gets live, we will definitely notify you via an email or the WhatsApp community that we are building right now. Hope that helps. PSAT. For the SAT, does it include PSAT? So right now, I don't think we have it extensively, like not an interactive one, but we do have a PSAT calculator, but it can't be embedded into your website right now. But if that is something that you want, we can make that as a priority and get it done in a week. Is that fine? Okay. Any questions regarding this? So this is one of the hack that we have implemented on our website. We build a lot of interactive pages, and hope this helps. If you guys have any doubt, you can just unmute yourself and ask, and then maybe we can discuss about the other questions.
Okay. So the calculator is fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely fantastic. And you've made it so easy to embed it.
Yes.
And that's wonderful. I'm excited to see when we'll get the ACT in a similar way.
ACT.
You know,
Okay.
the ACT calculations have changed. I think that's what Trinity was saying with them uncoupling the science and the
Okay.
composite of just math and reading
Okay.
and ELA, now making the new composite for the ACT, which will start in September. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so here I would like to give credit to Amit and Raja for creating this whole thing. I am just a spokesperson here. This was built and developed by Amit and Raja. So I just wanted to give a shout out there. Piyush, is there anything that you would like your team to build a calculator? Sure, we'll do that, Gary. Piyush, you can take it up.
Yeah, no, I guess this was our core agenda, and since if nobody has any questions on this, we can utilize the time to give back to Lemmy. I guess she had few questions.
Mhm. Yeah, we're excited about that calculator, and we love to see if we can talk to your team about an immediate need for a calculator, for the HSAT test. So we love to enter into conversations about that. So we'll wait for your leadership team to, or we'll send an email out, but we would like that calculator built as well. Regarding
Okay.
our question, going back to the creation of admins, we have our lead admins on the call right now. And I just wanted to know, like, how many admins can we have, and the difference between the manager and the admin feature. The individuals on the call right now would be supporting the course creation. So do they need to be admins or managers?
Amit, do you want to take this? Can you explain Lemmy and team over here? Amit, you're there?
Yeah, I'm there, Piyush.
Yeah. Can you please take it over the meeting and share your screen and explain them?
Uh, I'm actually not near to desktop. I've joined through mobile, so that's why I asked Ashwarya to present it.
Okay. Okay, Ashwarya, you only can explain the difference between admin managers and teachers and how they can add them.
Okay.
Mhm. Well, she just showed us how to add. I just want to know, for those to get privileges to create a course, is that the
Yeah, you
manager
can.
role or
Yeah,
the
you can
admin
either
role?
give. Yeah, you can either give them admin access or manager access. Admin has everything, all the access of the portal. Manager also has all the access except the billing, so they can create courses,
Okay.
everything over there.
Okay, great.
Okay.
That answers it. That's what we wanted to know. So,
Yeah.
so I can just make them manager role. That's and they can create the courses. So that's what we wanted to know. The second
Yeah.
question we had yesterday, we were trying to build a course. Coach Terry, are you ready? I'm
Yeah.
gonna I'm gonna tee it off. Okay, Coach Terry,
Yes.
and I'll share my screen. Okay, so on yesterday we were trying to build the course. I don't think we got very far with something wrong with API. So I'll go ahead and load the two. Uh, Coach Terry, you're able to see what I'm doing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it was HSAT test prep, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Coach Trinity and Rocio, we're creating the HSAT course inside of here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this looks like what we got yesterday. We have some materials already in play and lined up. So, I mean, we did one at a time yesterday, but
Try
the-
again.
each page is, Coach Terry, you want me to do one at a time or,
One at a time.
okay. So this is the reading one. What did you call it? The reading, yes, outline.
I just said this is the reading document.
Speak up, please. I can't hear you.
I just said this is the reading document.
And that's it.
Yes.
Okay. Coach Terry, does that look good?
Yeah. Now it's doing.
We didn't get this yesterday.
Yeah, it wasn't doing that yesterday.
Does this look good? So this is the math document.
I think he said in the chat the reason why it didn't work yesterday was because of yesterday they had downtime due to GPT-5 launch. That's probably why it was malfunctioning yesterday. So it should work now.
Then we go, this is the math document. Is that how we do that? Coach Terry?
Yes, it should work now.
Okay.
You can please tell it to merge both, right? You could have done both at a time, or you can now tell it to merge both.
Yeah, we didn't know. Okay, so merge.
Both reading and math document.
Thank you. Are you guys taking notes, Trinity and Rocio, for us, so we know what we're putting into the chat, and we can use the same language. So I need both of you to take notes, please,
Okay.
on what we wrote.
All right.
This is the reading document, this is the math document, but we could have put both in. Now we need to ask it to merge both documents. Coach Terry?
Yes.
Okay, do you see what's on the screen?
Yes.
That looks good?
Um, yes.
Okay. So we saved the course. It looks good. We saved the course.
Yes.
Now, what happens if we say no to the weightedness?
All the weightages will be equally distributed among the topics. And if you select yes, you will be able to add your own custom weightages, like more to one topic and less to another topic, such like that.
If we hit no, can we ever go back and modify it?
Currently, it's not like that. If you select yes, even then you will be able to get this equally distributed.
Okay, so we're gonna hit yes. Coach Terry, are you ready for the weights?
For the weights.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and always you can come later and edit the weightages. So, for example, after 2 years, HSAT governing body announces that, hey, this topic is not there anymore. So you can change the weightage to 0 or remove the weightage altogether. Okay, like particular that topic. So that's totally flexible. You can totally go ahead and do that.
Coach
Yes.
Terry, you're gonna need your weights from yesterday. This is what we're talking about with the weights.
Yeah.
So right now it's showing 100%, 60, 33. So we want to change that
I don't,
because we know
I
the
don't
test
think I
is
have
50-50.
the picture of the weights. I don't think I have the picture. Let me check my chat GBT real quick.
I think that the document you had yesterday was more detailed, honestly.
Good
So
doc-
50-50, 50-50. That's how the test is, 50-50.
Yeah, but
The test is 50-50. Now we expand.
I think I only did the weights for the reading though, right?
Yes, sir. I have the weights for the math.
So let me this. I guess this is clear to you guys. Now you can make the edits later as well. Maybe you can utilize the
Okay.
time to ask any other questions if you have.
Okay.
Hopefully you got
All
how
right.
to make structure. Yeah.
So yeah. Okay. So we got in today.
Okay, I got the weights. I see
Okay.
them.
So we got in today. So we can are you able to just out of curiosity see this on your end, Coach
Yes,
Terry?
yes.
Okay, I'm trying to stop the screen share. Okay, that was as far as we can get. Our goal was to have the course build to see where we could take it from there, and then come with additional questions today. But we had trouble yesterday. You said it was because what happened?
No, I think, hey, Lemmy, actually OpenAI was releasing GPT-5. I don't know, you guys must have seen, the announcement. And since morning, all the APIs were acting up because and I've seen this whenever they're deploying a new model, for that entire day and couple days, a lot of their APIs start to act up because suddenly the load increases and they're switching between the models and all those things behind on their servers. Even before you sent it, we were doing some testing and we were seeing like PDF attachments and all those were not going through properly. But yeah, as I said, like you just saw, like this is working now. I think the deployment is done around daytime on their end, and everything is now working. Usually it shouldn't happen, but we will try to build maybe some contingencies in future so that even if they're deploying, it doesn't affect our systems.
Okay, so we're excited. We're ready to go. Just and we'll get started. That's all understandable. That's good to know. I just wanted to share one more thing here. And so when we decide our weights, we have our questions already. These are what we would call our structured test. Can we load this? We still have to do one page at a time. We still have to do one page at a time, right?
Yes, let me
Okay, just checking. So,
use our session engine.
If one question, if in one page at least you can fit in 4 questions, and I think 1 or 2 pages at a time will be enough.
okay. Okay, 1 or 2 questions at a time. Okay. We can do
No,
that.
not questions. 1-2 pages is I said. So in total we have a maximum of 8 questions at a time.
Okay, great.
Maybe
Okay,
the
so
way to think about it is, it's just amount of text you are trying to get in because, AI is processing all that text, and it's not a limitations basically on our end. It's just like all these models have a context window, like how much information they can take. Even when you go on ChatGPT, you will see like, the file size limitations and things like that limitations. Is because they are doing processing line by line, word by word. If you throw in too much thing, they cannot keep all that in their memory and cannot process all that information. So
okay.
what Priyanshu is saying, like even if say there were like 20 questions in those 2 pages, it's just the amount of number of texts that we have to deal with in a way, let's say.
Okay, this is exciting. I think we're getting closer and closer. So I get more and more excited every day. So this is the point that we're at where we feel that while the system is up, we want to start to develop our question database and start putting those structured tests in first. And then we'll go back and do the practice tests now that we know the terminology and that we know we need to tag everything. And I think we'll be closer to our goal for the HSAT. So right now we don't have any questions. This is where we're at right now. So once we move forward, if we have more questions, then we'll definitely reach out. Your customer service is top notch. It's fantastic. Thank you so much.
No, and I think these questions are
Definitely.
like straightforward. I don't think you will have issues. I'm actually building even more complex, like calculus, like, university courses, and we are seeing not like very, very good response, like maybe almost 93% or like somewhere between 90 to 95% correct. So I would just not overclock the system. It can deal with multiple questions. Just, try not to process too much, but it should help you guys increase your number of questions way faster. You can use even the generate similar button to generate questions similar to the current questions so that, you just get more questions out of your current material so that, content is not a roadblock. You guys can build as many practice tests, as many unit tests, or as many, full-length tests in these systems. And I think that would be, because yeah, I mean, I feel like kids learn when they practice more and more, and if they're not able to solve particular kind of questions, the engine can generate more questions like that, and you can just track whether or not they're improving.
Okay, great. Well, we're excited that we have the knowledge we need to build the course structure correctly. And that's the other component that we now have. So we really feel empowered at this point, that the sky's the limit for us. And
Yes, and we made a lot of changes also. So, previously the course structure was kind of static, but now you can always go and edit and add new, like, let's say new nodes or new topics and all those things. So yeah, I mean, let us know how the experience is, like kind of building this new course things.
Yeah. The only thing that we'll have to do just a little bit with more labor is for the multiple choice question. It seems like the system defaults to A, but we'll be just take the extra effort.
It doesn't, but we will also change we were also trying, like once you said, but yeah, I mean, since GPT-5 is out there, we are actually like rigorously testing it, and maybe we'll deploy that as well. And hopefully, again, because this is the most powerful model at this point, that will again improve the overall intelligence of the platform. So maybe in coming week, we'll most probably deploy GPT-5 in our system, and you will not see that issue, hopefully, that system is defaulting to question A.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna take the team into another Zoom meeting so we can move forward with utilizing the tool and building the course.
Yes.
We have a full day planned ahead today. So I want to use the morning to continue. And then I'll hit you up on WhatsApp if there's any.
Yeah. If you ever hit a snag, I mean, again, we are in same time zone, same city. I can even drive up to you guys.
Yeah, you're always welcome.
Now I know where you are.
Most definitely, always welcome. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Guys, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great weekend.
Yeah, have a good weekend. Take care.